Okay guys, so you've played close to 100 earlier this year. This is the same idea, but instead of going close to 100, we're going close to 1,000. So we're going to deal out 8 cards. You're going to make 2 3-digit numbers and try and get the value as close to 1,000 as possible. Because however far you are from 1,000 is your score, and it's like golf, you want the low score. So we're going to play around so that you can kind of see how it works. So each person gets 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aces are worth 1, 10s are wild. We're going to look at our cards and see what digits we have. And we're trying to think about 2 3-digit numbers that would get us close to 1,000. So we're using some strategy to think about, okay, what kind of combinations get me close to 1,000? So here I have an ace, which is a 1, and a 10, which is a wild. Okay, so we're both going to take our recording sheets now, and we're going to make 2 3-digit numbers. Here's your recording sheet. Our recording sheet. And you're going to make your number and write it down, and I'm going to make my numbers and write them down. And you can kind of manipulate the cards to see, okay, how could I do this? So I'm going to make 863, and I'm going to write that down, plus 143. And now I'm going to take my Math Centers journal, and I'm going to add it up to find my sum. 863 plus 143. 3 and 3 is 6, 6 and 4 is 10, 8, 1 and 1 is 10. So I got 1,006 as my sum. So that means I am 6 away from 1,000, so my score is 6. Now let's see what John has come up with over here. How are we doing? So he's using strategy, trying to figure out the best way to make something that's close to 1,000. So he's looking for things, the hundreds, what 10s, what 1s is what it looks like he's attacking his problem here. He's got 467 and 581. And it looks like he's not super happy with that. You want to rearrange them? Let's go 2. So he's going to switch the 8 and the 2, and the 1 and the 6. Okay, so now we're going to write down your numbers. 427 plus 586 and he'll add them up in his Math Centers journal. 6 and 7 is 13, 11. So he got a sum of 1,013. So on his score sheet, he's writing down 1,013. He's 13 away from 1,000, so his score was 13. Now we're going to take all the cards, shuffle them back up, and we're going to play round 2. Okay, so you want to try and get as close to 1,000 as possible. There's some strategy involved in this. Think about your hundreds place, your tens place, and your ones place. Okay, so now we deal out 8 again. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8. And we look at our cards, decide how we want to arrange them to make something that's going to be equal or close to, as close to 1,000 as possible. My strategy is to start with the hundreds and think about the hundreds place. What are the things that are Hundreds wides get you close to 1,000. Then go to your tens, and then to go to your ones. Aces are equal to 1, and tens are wild. Okay, you'll need a pencil, recording sheet, and a deck of cards. Please ask any questions about the game now so that we're not disturbing Miss Boring at the table as she's teaching.